Cristobal, which is making its way up through southeastern Louisiana. Meanwhile, the outer bands and just really the outer portion of the storm right over our area with some of these big blow-ups of convection very close to our area. We're actually seeing some of the most intense impacts of the tropical storm over our part of the Gulf Coast. We've seen the winds have been well away from the center, and that's been squarely in our area. We've had storm tide problems with storm surge flooding. That's starting to improve a little. We've seen plenty of rain, and we have flash flood warnings in effect right now. Let's take a look at what's going on with our alerts, and we're still under a tropical storm warning for all of Mobile County, all of George County, and all of Jackson County, most of Baldwin County, and the coastal sections of the Florida Panhandle included in the tropical storm warning. There is a flash flood watch for all the areas shaded in green, and then we have flash flood warnings within that, meaning flash flooding is occurring likely here across Santa Rosa, Escambia, southern Baldwin, and portions of Mobile County under a flash flood warning. We've not had a lot of widespread reports of flooding, but the rain bands keep coming, and most places have seen anywhere from about 3.5 to about 6 inches of rain so far, and we're going to get more rain tonight. The system, the center over in Louisiana, you can see there's not as much rain there as there is here, well to the east, and that's normal for an early season tropical storm. They're often lopsided, and this one has a more of a hybrid appearance as it has some drier air working in to the center, getting wrapped in from the western side, and that leaves the east side and the northern flank of the system more active. That's why we're seeing more rain. Looking at it right now, Mobile County getting the showers coming through. Multiple rain bands. One that's very heavy that just moved out of Mobile is now in northern Mobile County near Citronelle and tracking up into Washington County. It's also clearing the northern portion of Baldwin County north of I-10. Then we get into the south part of Mobile County, and you can see the heavy rain, Dauphin Island, and also into southern Mobile County there, back into Jackson County, and then the showers across the Panhandle where we're under that flash flood warning. We've got more out in the Gulf. That matches up well with those cloud tops that are showing to be a little cooler there, where we have more of a deep, intense look to the storm. And this rain band here is down around Dauphin Island. If it goes like it's been happening, that will begin to propagate to the north, and that'll bring more heavy rain back into Mobile, back into Baldwin counties where we're under the flash flood warnings, and we'll see another quick ½ to inch of rain. We're getting a lull right now in Mobile. That's good. We've got heavy rain Grand Bay by La Battery. That's bad. That's about to move back in. So on and off, heavy downpours. We're seeing that right now up into Washington and also up into northern Mobile counties, and then far to the north, still some showers there. Here's where we stand with the rainfall totals. Real interesting that the Doppler radar estimates here that we have identified actually match up very well with the ground truth reports of what we've had at area airports. In fact, we've seen what appears to be about 3.5 to 3 3/4 inches of rain at Mobile Regional Airport, and you can see that right there, very close to the same number with our Doppler radar estimated precip. Sometimes the Doppler radar totals actually underdo it a little in a tropical event, but this one's performing well, and we're shown about 6 inches down towards Dauphin Island, 6.2, and 5.8 inches in La Battery and Coden. So this has been a big rainmaker for us as expected. The track is very aggressive in taking this thing towards the north and towards the north-northwest. That'll keep us in the plume of moisture and tropical rain bands. We'll talk more about all of this coming up on Fox 10 News at 9 p.m. We'll have complete coverage of what we've seen out there today. We had crews out all over the place looking for damage, finding it in some locations, flooding, all of that and more coming up with team coverage. I'll be in with meteorologist Matt Barron.